you're watching this on YouTube, this is my TikTok live choosing my entire makeup routine from literally the first step to the very last step. So they have all the power. They can choose to make me look bad. They can choose to make me look good. I'm putting my trust in them. And if you missed this, I do lives every single day. So my live schedule is on my Instagram and I post it every single Sunday. So if you want to find me, follow me on there. But yeah, let's get into it. I am nervous. Okay, I'm ready. Are you guys ready? Ooh, I'm kind of nervous because like, what are you guys gonna choose for me, you know? First step, first things first. Are we doing primer or are we not doing primer? That's the first step. Everyone cast your votes now. Wait, I'm missing one. Where is it? Where are you, Christmas? Where the fuck is my milk hydro grip? It's over here. We have watermelon. It's the glow recipe, okay? Milk hydro grip. Those are the two most popular. Or elf, poreless putty. Everyone's saying milk, okay. First step, yay! Milk hydro grip. Ooh, I haven't used primer in so long. Oh my gosh. For foundation, are we gonna do regular foundation or are you guys gonna like fuck me up and make me wear colored foundation? Oh my god, thank god regular is winning. Drugstore or high-end, okay? Drugstore or high-end foundation. I am still filming for YouTube. Yeah, it's just, I can't have music for YouTube, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way around that. Like, I don't know. I know like streamers, they can like play music through their live, but I just don't think TikTok is like chill like that. High end, let's go. Okay, let me pull out my high ends. These are our options. We got Giorgio Armani. This one is a luminous one. It gives off a dewy finish. Lancome. This one gives off a matte finish. So which one are we thinking? Looks like Lancome is winning 70%. Ooh, you guys want a matte? Are you doing that because I usually do dewy? Are you guys trying to fuck me up? Girl, switch it up. Hey, Nicole, you kind of called me out there. You kind of popped off with that. Lancome won. Let's go. Okay. Time to put on my girl. I don't even know if this is my color. Ooh, makeup by Mario. Okay. Okay, before I do my contour, you guys can vote for the next one. Options are Rare Beauty. This is more of like a plum color. Or She Glam. This is more of a pink. So pink or plum, She Glam or Rare Beauty. Ooh, Rare Beauty. You guys are choosing all of the options I don't usually choose. I love it. While I'm doing blush, I'll let you guys choose what concealer you want me to use. Here's the options. L'Oreal Infallible, Drugstore Full Coverage, Hourglass, not drugstore, but also full coverage. Hourglass or L'Oreal. Now I'm gonna do my Rare Beauty blush that you guys voted for. Hourglass one. Should I give you guys the option of my setting powder or should I just do it how I normally do it? Do your normal setting powder. Okay. Your options for setting spray are One Size and Benefit. Okay, my live decided One Size is the setting spray I'm using. Okay, next step, y'all. Benefit Hoola or Becca. This one. 2016 Energy or this one. A little dark on me, but we can look tan. Hoola's winning by a landslide, so. Hoola? Yeah. Hoola it is for bronzer. We're going for it. Okay, cast your votes for what color blush. The options are bright pink or peachy orange. What do we got? Ooh, 50-50. You guys, 5 more seconds. Someone's got to break the tie. Ah! We're doing bright pink blush. Are we doing a lot or a normal amount? And when I say a lot, I'm like a lot or a normal amount. Sun-kissed, or do I want to look like I have bright ass pink blush? Okay, which one won? Normal did. Okay. Normal, but pink blush. Let's do it. Could we get a poll for freckles or no freckles? Also, quick shout out to all the people that are consistently in my lives. I definitely recognize a lot of your faces and usernames, and I just want to say I appreciate you guys so much, especially with this whole new like live schedule thing. I just want to say that I see who supports me, and just trust that I will be repaying the favor one day, okay? This base is so cute, guys. Oh my gosh, you guys get me right. Yes to freckles. Okay, got it. Okay, we're doing freckles. You guys voted on freckles. Another quick little thing while I'm doing the freckles is I do post my live schedules. Next week is probably going to be insane because next week is like right before my birthday, you guys. I mean, obviously it's Christmas as well, but I think my birthday falls on next week, so might have to do a birthday stream, you know what I'm saying? But if you're not following my Instagram, make sure you're following it. Make sure you're following it because everything I post there. What do you want for your birthday? I just want to be around people I love, get good energy, and $1 million. Is that too much to ask? We have already an idea of what we're gonna do for my birthday, and I think I'm gonna bring you guys along. IRL. Go live IRL and get drunk and go play at an arcade. That'd be so much fun. Let's make a poll for normal or bleached brows, which would be white. So normal or white. Normal or bleached. Bleached brows. Let's do it. Cassie, thank you so much for doing this. Seriously. If you're still doing the polls, or if anyone else is doing the polls, any of my mods, thank you. Quick shout out to you. Let's have the next poll be cut crease or halo eye. And if you don't know what that is, quick thing, cut crease is when I'll put like whatever color eyeshadow and then I'll cut the crease with concealer and then you can put whatever you want on the lid. So it's just like, it pops. That was a terrible explanation. Halo eye is darker colors on the outer sides and then a lighter color / a glitter in the middle. Ooh, guys. Ooh. This is kind of giving like winter. Maybe like a blue eyeshadow would be fun. I don't know. It's up to you guys. Yeah, I'm thinking about dyeing my hair next week on live. And I would be dyeing it 2 colors. This will be the poll. Colorful, halo eye. Remember, we're doing a halo eye. Colorful or natural? Colorful or natural? We'll choose the colors in the next poll. But let's say colorful or natural. Lady boner gone. Okay, obviously colorful 1. Okay, colorful 1 for eyeshadow. You missed half my lip. Let's have a poll. Straight up purple look or red and purple sunset look. This would be the energy. Like, this would be the energy. I guess red and purple sunset look has one. This one being like one of the darkest ones. Then this one. Then this one. Okay, that's the final decision. That's what I'm gonna do. So now we can sit back, relax, and get this makeup look going. Ooh, that's such a pretty purple. Ooh, this is obviously like not blended the best, but super pretty. Next poll, can we do what color glitter? If you guys want me to show you the options, I can. We're probably gonna either go with this palette. There's a lot of pretty shimmers. The purples are really pretty, the blues are really pretty, and the whites are really pretty. Or this one. This one's a really good. This one has like chunkier glitter with like stuff in it. So there's some options. Here's one last glitter option. There's also a yellow one in there. I'm trying to show you what got me into makeup. I've always been creative. I love painting. All the paintings behind me I've painted. Boredom, not even gonna lie. When I started my creative makeup, it's when Trevor moved to LA and I was bored, guys. I had time on my hands. So I think honestly him moving is like the reason I really got into it when I did. Okay, what are we thinking of the eyes? Oh my god, gorgeous. Hey guys, sorry my SD card was full and we are on lashes now, but this is the eye look so far. Lashes look slay. Okay, I'm glad you guys like them. Do we want to do any embellishments? I'm talking rhinestones. Do we want to do like drawn any stars, like these kind of stars, like in my last couple of looks? Do we want to do like dots? Do we want to do heart? Like, do we want to do anything? Ooh, you're right. And here goes lips and you stay right.
Good weed,
white wine. I come alive in the nighttime.
On the traffic during the finish, girl.
Hey, come on, come on.
In 20 minutes,
what can we do?
girl. Say my name, say my name.
Yeah.
Air it out.
Wear it out.
It's getting hot. Crack a window.
Air it out. Can someone tell me to clean my makeup desk? Like, seriously. It's getting out of hand. Because I can't find a single thing. Okay, what do we think of the hearts? I think it's so cute. I think it's literally so cute. I don't think you can see it on the camera. The camera's a little overexposed.
Hey guys. Chaz. Oh my gosh, my hair.
Okay, guys, do you want rhinestones now? Let's do a poll. Poll for rhinestones or no rhinestones. It's already at 100% for yes. I love it. Might as well pick out the rhinestones now. I have very large ones. Not very large, but they're, you know, decent size. And then I have medium and like smaller medium. And then I have fucking tiny, okay? The lighting, insane.